In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on Windows 11 in the quickest and easiest way possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have TikTok fully installed and ready to use on your computer. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, typing Microsoft Store, and pressing Enter. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top, click on it, type TikTok, and press Enter. The official TikTok app should appear right at the top of the results. Click on the TikTok app to open its page. Here you'll see an Install button. Click Install, and Windows will start downloading the TikTok app to your computer. The download usually takes a short moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, Windows will automatically install it for you. When the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button. Click Open, and TikTok will launch right away on your computer. From here, you can sign in with your TikTok account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you log in, you can browse your For You page, watch videos, post content, and use all the features just like on your phone. And that's it. This is how to download TikTok on Windows 11 quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.